This week in Honors Algebra 2 and Trigonometry, we're going to be looking at how to graph the secant and cosecant functions on Wednesday and Thursday. By the time we're done with the videos on Thursday, you should know how to graph both kinds of functions. And you will be working on homework 4.4. You'll be doing those problems out of order, so pay attention to the daily assignments. That homework is due on Friday, 4/17 by 4 p.m. And then on Friday, the assignment for the day will be to review how to graph all 6 of the trigonometric functions and complete the attached worksheet. There is a worksheet that I put up on that assignment that will be a prep for the test the following week. So please do that assignment, and that worksheet will be due on Monday, 4/20. I will be posting answers on Monday, 4/20, for the test on Tuesday that we will be taking. And that is just a look at the week.